Check out this shed. Do you remember at the start, maybe 4 weeks ago, how practically none of this was here? It's amazing what they do in such a short period of time. Unbelievably amazing. And there's only about 10 workers on here. Oh, and a couple of crane drivers, but still, a dozen people, multi-million dollar, well, tens of million dollar shed. See those big circle things? I think they're bases for those offshore wind farms. So the shed isn't even finished, and they're already building stuff in there. Unbelievable. Look at the size of that thing. Anyway, let's get to work. Got my lunch, which I pick up on the way. Well, this combination solves that problem of getting enough air to the power tools. I never had that problem. I've always got enough air, people, unfortunately.
Nothing but quality people.
Now I suppose I should be explaining those two lovely girls that are asking you guys out there to like, subscribe and share. There's nothing untoward there at all, people. Believe it or not, they are fans. And if you don't believe me, here's the evidence. G'day people, we have two girls in their 20s, early 20s, the only girls in their 20s that watch my show regularly. So, what the hell is this? Why? Why would you watch my show?
Because you're funny.
Really?
Yeah? Yes.
Name one funny thing I've done in the last week. I've only just got here, people, so I haven't done anything funny yet. What's that? She can't recall a single, she's seen 400 episodes, can't recall a single funny thing I've seen. Well, that's funny in itself.
When you film the coral and there's the girls in front of it.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just filming the coral. The girls are getting in the way. It was so annoying, these girls swimming in front, and there's like a really nice bit of coral I was zeroing in, and right at the bottom, right in the middle of that.
The best.
So much enthusiasm. How long you reckon me and a welder guy would it have taken to get to this stage? This is a year, I'm sure it's a year. Just cutting alone, you know, measuring, cutting, getting it precise. That's probably 3 months. And then putting it together, I don't know, put it in your comments. I feel like Santa and all my bloody helpers. Santa's sitting there, sitting back, drinking brandy, doing nothing, and all the elves are doing all the work. I mean, the only real difference is they got blue uniforms instead of green uniforms without pointy toes. I'm so happy about Santa's little helpers. Otherwise it'd be stuffed, people. Stuffed. They're absolutely going frantic speed on my boat, and this is just normal. I was talking to Adonis, he said, oh, they can actually work harder. Actually, that's a bit of a problem for me. I mean, I'm actually trying to get him to start working on this boat because of Christmas and because I haven't had the evidence of the boat build on YouTube. No sponsor wants to know me at all, and so I'm still trying to work out, get some kind of a deal with the motors. And I mean, look, they've got the stringers in already, and I mean, the next is the shell plate. Then they're going to not have the access to do the welding for the electric motor mounts and the bedding of the electric motor. So that has to be done. You know, I need the actual motor now. Now that Christmas is over, you know, these companies ought to start paying attention. Well, whether they do or not, with all the wars going on in the world, that's another story. But hopefully they do. I must admit, I am a little bit worried.
And a special thanks to the patrons, because without you, there is no freedom.
Great news, guys, for the patrons, the PayPalers and the Kickstarters. We got lots of videos just to be released for you guys. We got one release last week. We're going to have 2 or 3 for you for this week, and I'm going to try and get 1 or 2 additional videos for you every week, because basically you're keeping me and the stream alive, but for the grace of God, and Odisea Catamarans as well. But you guys are the bread and butter, so well done, top stuff. So join up and become a patron today and help the project along. You'll get extra videos and earn the right to come on board and come sailing and see what it is really like.